I am going to continue solving the mathematics questions of Sainik exam 2024. In question number 61, there is this figure in the question paper. There is this figure in the question paper, and the question says which of the angles in the given figure is or are equal to 3 right angles. So we have to find which of these angles is equal to 270 degree. If you have asked, this is very easy. Since B is right angle, this cannot be the answer. And F and G is only just a bit more than a right angle. So the answer to this question is E and C. In the next question number 62, it says, name the type of an angle whose measure is 26 degree more than the difference between the angles 146 degree and 82 degree. So it tells us to find the degree, which is 26 degree more than the difference between 146 degree and 82 degree. To find the difference between 146 and 82, we have to subtract 82 from a 146. Which is 64. Now we have to find 26 degree more than this 64 degree. So we just have to add 26 to 64, which is 90. Since the answer is 90, the answer to this question saying name the type of an angle whose measure is 26 degree more than the difference between the angles 146 degree and 82 degree. The answer is 90 degree. So the question tells us to name the type of an angle. We know that 90 degree is a right angle. So the answer to this question number 62 is 90 degree. In the next question number 63, it says two angles of a triangle are 40 degree and 50 degree respectively. So there is a triangle which the two angles are 50 degree and 40 degree. Name the triangle based on side and angles. So to solve this question, we first have to find what is the angle of this one. To find this, we know that all the angles of triangles, when we add up all the angles of triangles, it always add up to 180, even though some did not. So we have to do this way. 40 degree plus 50 degree was the unknown angle, x, or we can say angle. Let's just say x equals 180 degree. We're going to add this, and the answer will be 90 degree plus x equals 180 degree. So we are going to shift this angle to the right hand side, and it will be x equals 180 degree minus 90 degree. So the answer to this question is 90 degree. So the answer to this unknown angle is 90 degree. Then this would be 90 degree. Since all sides are not equal, since all angles are not equal, that means this is a scalene angle. And since there is one right angle on it, it is a right angle, 190 degree angle on it. Since 90 degree is right angle, then this should be a right angle triangle. Then the answer to this question number 63 is scalene and a right angle triangle. In the next question, question number 64, it says, Joseph borrowed 20 rupees 25,000 on simple interest at the rate of 6 rupees per annum for 4 years. How much did he pay at the end of 4 years? So the question tells us that Joseph borrowed, Joseph borrowed rupees 25,000. So the principal would be rupees 25,000 on simple interest at the rate of, so the rate will be 6%. And the time will be 4 years. So we have to find the SI. To find the SI, we're going to use the formula SI equal to PTR by 100. SI equal to P equals 25,000 times T equals 4 times 6 by 100. We can cancel these zeros. And 250 times 4 times 6 is still left. First we do the easy one, which is 6 times 4. Then it would be 24. 200. If we multiply both of these, the answer will be the answer will be 6,000. Then our SI is equal to rupees 6,000. Now we have to, the question asks us to find the amount of money he will pay after 4 years. So that means we have to find the amount. We know that the formula of amount is principal plus SI. Then that would be 25,000 plus 6,000, which is 31,000. And the answer to this question is 31,000 rupees. In the last question, I'm going to solve this time. Question number 65. It asks, in how many years will a sum of rupees 1,800 become rupees 2,610 on simple interest at the rate of 9 rupees per annum? The principal is rupees 1,800. The amount is rupees 2,610. And the rate is 9%. Then the question tells us to find the time. Since we don't know the simple interest, we have to first find the simple interest. To find the simple interest, we just have to subtract the principal from the amount. So it would be 810. Then the SI is rupees 810. To answer this question, I am going to use the SI equal to PTR by 100. So the SI is rupees 810. The principal is 1,800 rupees. Then the time is, let's just write the time as T since we don't know. Times the rate is 9% by 100. So we can cancel these zeros. And now 18 times T times 9 rupees. 9% is still left. 810 equals 18 times 9 equals 18 times 9 is 162. 162 times T is still left. Now we're going to put this 162. Shift this 162 over here. Or we can shift this one over here. But let's shift this one 162 over here. And it will be 810 by 162 equals T. If we divide 810 by 162, it will be 5. The answer will be 5. Then the answer to this question number 65, the time will be 5 years. This time I solved the mathematics questions, question number 61 to number 5. This time I solved the question, the mathematics question number 61 to number 65. If there is anything wrong in my solutions, please tell me in the comments and I will be very happy. In the next video, I will solve question number 66 to question number 70. See you in the next video.